Welcome to the assembly guide for Royal Deluxe manufacturing by Funride. Box include, main body, head, front wheel complete, front mudguard, rear wheels, seat, handle, basket, axle hardware. Insert the axle into the main frame. First, remove the wheel cover. Insert the wheels on both sides into the axle. Secure the wheels with a washer and quarter pin. Cover both wheels with a wheel cover. Repeat the same on the other side. Place the front mudguard onto the fork. Insert the front fork into the main body. Open the cell cover using a screwdriver. Insert the batteries according to the polarity and close the cell cover. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle by tightening the knob. Secure the head by tightening it using a nut and bolt. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat with a nut. Place the basket on the rear side of the frame, secure it using a nut and bolt. Press the button for lights and music. Our Royal Deluxe is ready to use.